We expect storms later on tonight, but across the evening, most of the activities out here in the Fort Worth area and the Dallas area are going to be fine. Right now at the airport's 88 degrees. Dew point is in the 60s. It got up to 90 degrees today. The low this morning was closer to your typical high. So yes, warmer than normal temperatures and more humidity in the air than you would expect. These set up for thunderstorms. Now, you can see there's been some light shower activity that's been racing over Van Zandt County and a little stuff trying to kick up just on the other side of Jack County. But the real show has been further out to our west, up to our north. That's a tornado watch. It's in effect till 10. Just starts one county over from us, just to in Clay County, just to the west of Montague. But this has already had kicked off tornado warnings. Here's one right here. This is Comanche County in Oklahoma. It's until 6:45. Possible tornado closing in on Elgin. They did have reports of a tornado on the ground up there. So this is very active weather up to our north, and it's headed this way. We believe that we'll start seeing this activity between 10 and 11, starting in Montague County. I've stopped it at the midnight hour, so you see it over in Denton, already passing into Grayson, past Cook County, this leading edge of what could be some severe weather in the form of damaging winds, even large hail with this. In Fannin County by 1 o'clock in the morning, and just crossing into Fort Worth and getting ready to go into downtown Dallas, give or take an hour. This is when we expect this severe weather threat. Again, damaging winds, large hail. There is a risk of an isolated tornado. It's really going to be closer to the Red River earlier in the evening, but this activity still at 3 in the morning could produce some strong winds, and you can see the good steady rain going on behind it. Now at 4 a.m. it'll be dying down, and by the time we get to 6 a.m. it's quickly exiting off to the east. So what that means is that on Sunday it's cooler, it's windy, but we're not talking about thunderstorm Sunday. This is an overnight event. The severe weather threat, I was talking about that tornado threat, higher along the Red River and up to the north. For most of us, we're really going to have to watch out for damaging winds, quarter hail, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours with this. And it's be welcome the rain, we shall. You can see that even though total rainfall since September 1st at DFW is just over an inch, we've got some forecast models kicking over an inch of rain for the area. And yes, we run the risk of severe weather tonight, but look what it does with these temperatures. After our 90 today and a string of 80s, we actually get to have a fall day here on Sunday. And then after that, we're going to warm up a little bit. We'll be in the 80s on Monday before another front cools us down, then back in the 80s on Wednesday and Thursday before another front cools us down going into the weekend.